Well, students, here we are again with our next video of the Spectator Club. So far, we have talked about the four persons of the club, four members of the club, four gentlemen of this company. Now, the fifth one. But that our society may not appear a set of humorists unacquainted with the gallantries and pleasures of the age, we have amongst us the gallant Will Honeycomb, a gentleman who, according to his years, should be in the decline of his life, but having ever been very careful of his person and always had a very easy fortune, time has made but a very little impression either by wrinkles on his forehead or traces on his brain. Now, he says that so far the persons about whom we have discussed, about whom we have talked, or about whom the writer has told us, by reading them, by talking about them, by learning of their behavior, their nature, their personality, we might not start thinking that these are some old humorists, these are some old gentlemen, this company is full of old people who has not aware, who are not accustomed with the gallantries and pleasures of the age, pleasures of this present age, just to make this deficiency removed. We have among us the gallant Will Honeycomb, and for this person we have this gallant एक बहादुर वीर के रूप में यूज होता है वर्ड जनरली, brave Will Honeycomb, a gentleman. Now he talks about Will Honeycomb, that Will Honeycomb is a gentleman who, according to his years, should be in the decline of his life. If we talk him as per the years of life, then he must be in the decline of his life. Means he is also crossed the middle ages even, but having ever been very careful of his person, but as he has always very careful of his person, means of his personality, of his physique, and always had a very easy fortune. And the second thing is what, that he has a very easy fortune, means the source of income was always easily available to him. That's why he don't need to trouble himself for earning or for any kind of job or for any kind of such things which might have any adverse effect on his mind or his body. Time has made but a very little impression on him, either by wrinkles or on his face, or by traces on his brain. Means the body as well as the mind of Will Honeycomb is quite young. They were not affected by the time, by the years of his life. His person is well turned and of a good height. His person is well turned and is of a, means he has a well built physique and a good height also. He is very ready at that sort of discourse with which men usually entertain women. And he says that, means, look, the very second line in which he has talked about that we also have a person who is acquainted with the gallantries and pleasures of the age. मतलब जो यंग एज और जो वर्तमान के जो प्लेजर्स होते हैं, वर्तमान के जो एडवेंचर्स होते हैं, उनसे हम सब रहित हैं, ऐसा अगर आपको लगता है तो हमारे बीच एक ऐसा आदमी भी है जो इन सब प्लेजर से जुड़ा हुआ है. सो ही सेज दैट he is well turned and of nahi, he is very ready at that sort of discourse, that kind of conversation, that kind of discussion which are related to entertain women. Means he is the ladies man amongst us who is always ready to entertain the women. He has all his life dressed very well. throughout his life, he has always dressed in a very well manner and remembers habit as others do men. And he remembers habits as others people remember men. ना, जिस तरह से और लोग आदमी को याद करते हैं, लोगों को याद रखते हैं, उस तरह से वो हैबिट्स को याद रखता है। कौन सी हैबिट? हैबिट से मतलब फैशंस के बारे में बात कर रहा है। देखिए अब आगे, he can smile when one speaks to him and laughs easily. He can smile when one speaks to him. Means again a flirting trait of his behavior, that whenever someone talks to him, then he can smile and he laughs in very easy manner. He knows the history of every mode and can inform you from which of the French kings' wenches or wives and daughters had this manner of curling their hair. And he knows all the manners, all the modes, all the trends of fashion. Fashion की जो भी बातें हैं वो सारी जानता है. And he can very easily tell us that from the house of which of the French king, the which wife of the French king was being imitated by our wives and our girls in curling their hair. ये जो हैबिट है विमेन की अपने बालों को कर्ल करने की, ये जो हैबिट है कहाँ से आई, कौन सी रानी, कौन सी फ्रेंच रानी जो थी उसने पहली बार ऐसा किया था, उसको फॉलो करके ये सीखे. ये ही कैन इजीली टेल यू दिस थिंग. देन एंड हुज द वे, दैट वे ऑफ प्लेसिंग देयर हुड्स, और जिस तरह से वो अपने हुड्स को प्लेस करते हैं, उनको रखते हैं अपने सिर पे, दैट इज ऑल्सो हुड भी वैसे तो देखो वेल होता है, पर्दे के रूप में होता है, पर इफ यू हैव सीन सम इंग्लिश मूवीज देन दे हैव दैट ए वेरी ब्लैक क्लॉथ विच वाज सीव्ड क्लॉथ, है ना, एक जालीदार ब्लैक कलर का कपड़ा जो थी वो विमेन यूज करती थी किसी समय में, पुराने जमाने में, उसके बारे में बात कर रहा है. एंड हुज फ्रेलिटी वाज कवर्ड बाय सच ए सॉर्ट ऑफ ए पेटीकोट. And who has discovered this kind of petticoat, he also knew this thing. And whose vanity to show her foot made that part of the dress so short in such a year. और जो स्कर्ट है जैसे वो ऊंची होती है, ऊंची काइंड ऑफ ड्रेस होती है, तो वो किस औरत की ये फ्रेलिटी थी, ये कमजोरी थी कि वो अपनी टांगे दिखाना चाह रही थी. एंड दैट्स व्हाई दैट ड्रेस वाज गॉट शॉर्ट. वो किस ईयर में हुआ ये भी वो जानता है. In a word, all his conversations and knowledge have been in the female world. और वो राइटर कह रहा है that in a word, in short, in nutshell, if we say something about him, then we can say that all the knowledge which Honeycomb holds to himself is related in one way or other to the world of female only. As other men of his age will take notice to you what such a minister said upon such and such an occasion, he will tell you when the Duke of Monmouth danced at court, such a woman was then smitten. और वो कह रहा है कि at this age other men, other persons, they might tell you about the speeches, about the orations of the different ministers, that what that minister had spoken, what that politician had spoken, but he will tell you that when the Duke of Monmouth has danced in the court, then which woman was smitten, which woman was murdered, I mean which woman has fall for him, which woman has fallen in love with him. Another was taken with him at the head of his troop in the park, and which woman was taken with him at the head of his troop in the park. In all these important relations, he has ever about the same time received a kind glance or a blow of a fan from some celebrated beauty, mother of the present Lord such a one. मतलब हर तरह की चीजें कि कब इस तरह से देखने पे उसको डांट पड़ी, कब इस तरह से उसको सिर पे किसी सेलिब्रेटेड ब्यूटी ने उसको मारा, है ना, मदर ऑफ द प्रेजेंट लॉर्ड सच ए वन, मीन्स ऑल द डिटेल्स ही हैज विद हिमसेल्फ. If you speak of a young commoner that said a lively thing in the house, he starts up. अब देखिए how he is expert in talking about women in the matters of women. He says that whenever someone says that that commoner means that common politician of some or someone, some common member of the parliament, whenever he speaks in the parliament and someone praises that thing, that yes, that person has today delivered a very lively speech in the parliament, then he starts, तब वो क्या बोलना शुरू करता है, he has good blood in his veins. Tom Mirabel begot him. The rug cheated me in that affair. That young fellow's mother used me more like a dog than any woman I ever made advances to. Means then he start again uh, about the women, that yes, that person was begot in a very good family. He was begot by that lady, or that person's means वो हमेशा उसकी जो बातें हैं उनमें वो विमेन फोक को वहां ले आता है. This way of talking of his very much enlivens the conversation among us of a more sedate turn. And though we are of a sedate turn, we are of a serious kind of company. So these conversations of him about the women folk make the company a bit lively. And I find there is not one of the company but myself who rarely speak at all, but speaks of him as of that sort of a man who is usually called a well-bred fine gentleman. And he says, though I speak very less, but when I speak of him, then I must say that he is a very well-bred gentleman. To conclude his character, where women are not concerned, he is an honest, worthy man. And if I should conclude the character, if I should conclude the personality of him in one word or in one line, then I must say that where women are not concerned, then he is a very honest and worthy man. But where women are concerned, then he again falls for them and he starts speaking about them and giving the informations and knowledge and all the details about them. But until the women are there, he is a real gentleman, a very honest, a very worthy man. So this is it. Thank you.